All right, so let's do number 2 on page 3. So for each of the following, so we're just looking at A right now, determine the x and y intercept and graph the line. So we're doing the same thing we did in the example before. So our x-intercept is when our y equals 0, and our y-intercept is when x equals 0. So we're going to sub those values in again. So we got 4x minus our y here is 0, so we're subbing in 0 here, minus 0 plus 8 equals 0. So obviously minus 0 is just 0, right? So we have 4x plus 8 equals 0. And so we want to get x by itself, so we want to get rid of our 8. And to do that, we subtract 8. Remember, whatever we do to one side, we got to do to the other. So we have 4x is equal to negative 8. And so we have multiplication by 4 here. So we're going to divide by 4 to get x all by itself. So when we do that, our 4's cancel out, and we're left with x is equal to negative 8 over 4. Negative 8 divided by 4 is actually just negative 2. So that's our x. So we have the point negative 2, 0. So let's plot that. That's right here. So our x is negative 2, and our y is 0. Remember, when y is 0, we're on this line, the x-axis. Okay, and now let's find our y-intercept. So we're using our equation again. We're subbing in 0 for x this time. So we have 4x, so 4 times 0, minus y plus 8 equals 0. We want to get y by itself. So 4 times 0 is just 0, so we're left with negative y plus 8 equals 0. And we want to get y by itself, so we want to get rid of this 8. We do that by subtracting 8. Whatever we do to one side, we got to do to the other. I'm going to move over here. So we have negative y is equal to negative 8. And so we want to find what positive y is, right? So our coefficient in front of y is actually negative 1. So if we divide each side by negative 1, then a negative divided by negative is a positive. So we have positive y is equal to, and then we have negative 8 divided by negative 1. So a negative divided by negative is a positive. So we have y is equal to 8. And so that gives us the point 0, 8. And so if we plot that, that's right here. And we can draw a line. It's not perfect, but there you go.